Hello, guys. Ignore the fridge, otherwise it'll be dead silent in here. Other than my voice, of course. But here we have the garage fans running on all speeds. Number 2, because I put this guy up a little while ago. And now they are literally, this one's here now. Because I was bored and I wanted to put this guy back up again. So it's very nicely installed, aka what it was when I first installed this. Wired off a cord, and the mounting bracket is screwed into the 2x4 with 2 drywall screws. It's up there though. I mean, it does that, but it's up there. So, yeah. So, again, here we have the latex, or not the latex, that's the inside, that has this fan's globe on it. This is the 30-inch Canarm Twister Hugger ceiling fan, in white. This one is from May of 2001. Single integrated light that should have that round, like UFO style globe. It's kind of round, but it's on the latex vortex, because that one, the original mushroom globe, broke. It actually, what happened is I was chilling in that bedroom, because I used to sleep in that room, and the globe literally fell off the fan, and the little the lip that kind of goes into here, that these screws tighten onto, it broke, so you can put the globe back on again. Then it was globeless, and then when I took this down from in the bedroom, Grandma Jay's room, that room, I put the globe from this fan on that fan, so it looks nice. It's out here in the garage, that doesn't really matter. Next to it is on the slightly better installed, but still hanging off of a cord, the 42-inch Alaska JC Penney Hugger. This one is from July of 1986. Antique brass, cane blades. I think these are walnut finished. The brass is a little tarnished, especially on the switch housing, if you can see that. The labels up there. Non-original light kit. I put this one on a while ago. Had no light kit, and then when I put it up there in that spot, where that socket is, I had this socket wired into it, this socket on it with this bulb, this LED bulb here. Literally just, I took the little center screw out for the light kit, ran the wires in through the middle hole of the switch housing, wired it into the light kit connection, and then this socket with this bulb was just dangling from the switch housing, and that was the light on this fan. Couldn't switch it. Only way to turn it on and off was with the rest of these lights on here. Actually, I'm gonna do this. There we go. That's a lot better. Not as massive, bright ass light right there. Then I got this light this globe light, and I put it on it. The finials and the chains are white, but don't really care. Yeah, so go ahead and start them both out on low. So also that one, this of course has the low, medium, high pull chain. This one is regular high, medium, low. If we ever take down if I ever decide if it ever is decided and if it ever happens, if the Litex Vortex comes down, I'm putting it right here. Mark my words, that is what's happening. 3 fans. The 30 inches on the other side and the 42-inch one in the middle. Do a top shot. I can, because I'm so tall. Do them on medium. Go ahead and do a spin down. Twister stopping. Definitely hear the come from the Canarm. And a bit of bearing noise. And we're stopped. So there's a video of the garage fans at my cabin running all 3 speeds, number 2. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys later with the next video. Bye.